Hi guys, welcome back to another video and thank you so much for watching. This time we are going to get straight into it. So today we are going to do an easy marble nail design, and I'm going to start off by using the base coat, and I'm going to apply this to all the nails. The base coat that I'm using is from Model Ones. Once I'm done applying it to all the nails, I am going to cure for 30 seconds. And just to let you guys know, this nail inspiration did come from Pinterest. I've been eyeing it for a while and I wanted to recreate it, but I used different colors. And so what I'm doing next is I'm going to use this cream color from Model Ones, and it does have a thick consistency, so I am applying thin layers to all the nail tips, and I'm going to cure in between for 60 seconds. And I did forget to mention that I applied 2 coats of this cream color, and if you're interested on the nail tips or the nail display, I am going to leave all the links in the description box for you guys to check out. Alright, so now that we're all done curing, I am going to take my buffer and remove the shine from the nails. This way the gel polish that I use to create the marble look won't be slipping and sliding all over the place, I guess you can say, so I have something to hold on to. Alright, so now that I'm done buffing the nails, I did grab a piece of aluminum foil just so I can use like as a palette since I don't have anything else. And so the colors that I'm going to be using for the marble look are the Dancing With Me for Model Ones, along with Emerald Lake, and also the cream color that I used earlier. Alright, so I'm just going to take those 3 colors and I'm just going to place them on the aluminum foil like so. So just 3 stripes of the colors, and then I'm going to take my dotting tool and I'm just going to do, I guess, run through it so they can kind of blend in together just a little bit. Now that I'm doing that, I'm just going to take my gel brush and scoop up all 3 colors like so. And you just want to be very gentle because you don't want them to like mush all together. And so once I grab the gel polishes, I'm going to place them on the nail very gently because again, I don't want the colors all 3 to blend and create one solid color. You know, we want that marble effect. And I'm not doing this in any particular way. I'm just placing the gel polish where I think I want it to be or where I think it looks good. So I'm looking back at this video and of course doing the voiceover, and those 3 colors are very beautiful together. I love that Emerald Lake color. And so once I'm done applying the gel to all the nails, I do pop them in the lamp to cure for about 30 to 60 seconds. Now I did purposely try to keep this video as short as possible. I mean, it's a very easy design and I think anybody can do it. There's really nothing to it. So I did only show you guys a couple of I guess sections or nails that I did. I didn't show all of it to you guys. So just let me know down in the comments below if you guys prefer longer videos or shorter videos. So as you can see here, the nails are coming along very beautifully, and I hope that you guys like this design as much as I do. It's been added to one of my favorite sets that I've done, so let me know down in the comments below how you guys feel about this set so far. Very easy, right? So, and if you guys try it out, please tag me. I do have Instagram, and I just recently added TikTok. Even though I don't know how to use TikTok just yet, I'm still trying to figure it out. But I will be leaving all those links down in the description box below just in case you want to follow me. Alright you guys, so I am down to my last nail. Next thing that we are going to do is apply the foil, and I'm just going to apply it around the border where the cream color and the marbling meet. And I don't show you guys right now, but I do use the gem gel from Red Iguana that I got in one of my nail boxes, but I will be showing it just a little bit further down the video. And so what I did here, I just grabbed my foil with my wax pencil and I'm just gently pressing it in around the marble color. And just in case you guys are wondering about the foil, I did grab a pack of it from a local nail supply, but I'm sure Amazon has it, AliExpress, eBay, so I'm sure you guys can get it anywhere from those places. And then as you can see here, I'm just applying big chunks, little chunks, and just spreading it out, and it's looking really gorgeous. All right, you guys, so this is the gem gel that I'm talking about, and it's from Red Iguana, and like I said, it came in one of my nail boxes. And what I did, just grab my gel brush, and I just simply spread a very thin layer of it around the borders where I wanted to apply the foil, as you can see. And this gem gel, you do have to cure it, but I didn't cure it until I applied the top coat over it after I was done applying the foil. All right, so here we are done with the nail design. So I didn't show it, but I did top it off with the metallic top coat from Wildflowers, which also came in one of my nail boxes. And this is the final result. I absolutely love them. They're very elegant and again, very easy to do. If you guys love this as much as I do, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and support me. And I will catch you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.